Draw with Elena.
PB Jellyfish. To draw PB Jellyfish, you can use 1. Blue construction paper and oil pastel, pink, green, black, white. First, use the pink oil pastel to trace our hand.
Some people are left-handed and some people are right-handed.
Now, let's draw a dome to give our jellyfish a head.
It looks like the jellyfish is bald.
Now, let's use black to give PB Jellyfish two circles where we'll draw the eyes and a nice smile.
Mine is going to frown.
Mine's going to have an even bigger smile.
Now, we'll draw pupils with one arch in each eye and color them in.
Rainbows look like arches.
Let's use green to draw squiggly lines from the bottom of our paper to look like seaweed. They can be as long or short as you like. How many will you draw?
7 because I'm 7.
I don't know yet.
They look like wiggly noodles.
Let's use white to draw bubbles. I like to start with small bottom bubbles that get bigger as they float up and don't always float in a straight line. What are your favorite kind of bubbles?
I like bubble baths.
I love boba tea bubbles.
I like blowing bubbles for my kittens to chase.
Now, we'll fill in the white of PB Jelly's eyes. Let's make the bubbles look shiny by adding little curved lines in the bigger bubbles. Finally, to color PB Jellyfish pink. What color will your jellyfish be?
I like red.
Mine is blue.
Mine's rainbow.
Draw with Elena.
Great job, everybody!